Now sing with me, come on, let's go. Letters are fun and help us grow from A to Z. Come sing along, let's learn the alphabet in this song. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it in the chapel. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum with a marching beat. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fish in water cold. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat that you wear on the street. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a tasty delight. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging high. N is for nest up in the sky. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin walling around. Now sing with me, come on, let's go. Letters are fun and help us grow from A to Z. Come sing along, let's learn the alphabet in this song. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging at night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the highway lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune too. Y is for yo-yo, spinning free. Z is for zebra, black and white, you see. Now you know your ABCs. Sing it again with fun and glee. From A to Z, you did just fine. Learning letters one at a time.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!
Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Come on, friends, let's have some fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fruits are tasty, A to Z. Apple red, so shiny and sweet. Crunch, 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 my favorite treat. Banana yellow, peel it down. Eat it up, don't wear a frown. Grapes so round, purple or green. Best little fruits I've ever seen. Mango juicy, soft and dry. Eat in the morning or at night. Orange round with zesty smell. Juicy drops we love so well. Strawberry red with tiny seeds. Sweet and fresh for all our needs. Watermelon big and cool. Slice it up, it's picnic rule. Pineapple tall with spiky crown. Cut it up and pass it around. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Come on, sons, let's have some fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fruits are tasty, A to Z.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray! Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!